One of you asked, can I become profitable in 90 days? Another one asked, what is the right roadmap to learn trading? Here is my honest answer. Yes, 90 days is possible, but not if you are chasing big profits from the day one. For a beginner, real definition of profitable means consistency, not rich. If you expect thousands in 90 days, you will blow your account in just 30 days. Here is a clean and structured timeline. Month 1, learn only. Study these 4 things in the exact order. First, candlestick patterns and price action basics. Second, support and resistance. Third, one simple indicator like EMA, volume, etc. Fourth, risk management like position sizing and stop loss. Month 2, the practice only. You have 2 options: paper trade without real money or start with smallest possible real account like I did with $10. Pick one simple setup, trade only that setup, track every day in a journal. This month is about building discipline, not making money. Month 3, review and refine. Go back to your journal and find your best and worst trades. Find out what they have in common and what mistake kept repeating. Increase position size slightly only if the month was consistently positive. By the end of the month 3, you have real edge. That's profitable. That's it. No shortcuts, no secret strategies, just a simple roadmap executed consistently for 90 days. This video was made for one of my followers. Follow and send me your questions. I'll make videos answering them.